Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello, good people. Thank you very much for coming along here today. Let me introduce myself. My name is Anissa Komala Rosani. I hope my presentation is not going to take too long and that you will find it interesting. The purpose of today's presentation is to discuss how we can to improve the quality of education. Now, let me begin by explaining that I would like to talk about the improving quality of education. Secondly, I will explain about the factor of the low quality of education in Indonesia. And finally, I would like to talk about how to improve the quality of education in Indonesia. I would be very happy to invite you to ask questions at the end of the session. If you look at this slide, I will tell you about the meaning of improving the quality of education. Improving the quality of education is an effort to develop abilities, moral attitude in all fields for the success of education, so as to improve the quality of education. Based on data published by the World Population Review in 2021, Indonesia was still ranked 54 out of a total of 78 countries include in the ranks of world education level. Um, Now let's look at this next slide. There are several factors that cause the low quality of education in Indonesia. The first, develop of technology. Broad technology has been used as a means of educational infrastructure, while in Indonesia it has just started and that to for school with access will be very difficult to use technology, which causing a technology lag behind. And second, population growth. The growing population is increasing. Of course, more and more children are enrolling in school. Well, the distribution of the population is also less evenly distributed, where urban areas are very densely populated, so that the infrastructure in school in urban areas is insufficient, while in remote areas they are empty of school registrant. And the third, management system. Lack of the management system can cause learning activities to not run well. The management system is said to be poor. One example is caused by the curriculum that is not based on a clear basis and often changes. And last, lack of equal distribution of educational opportunities. Opportunities to obtain education are still limited at the school level. Therefore, appropriate education equity policies and stagger are needed to address the problem in inequality. You can see the next slide. About how to improve the quality of education in Indonesia. There are several ways to improve the quality of education, including the first, improving the quality of teacher. Improving the quality of teacher can be done by selecting teacher education before they teach at a school. And the next, advanced and proper education facility and infrastructure. If the quality of education in our country want to progress, the facility and infrastructure of the education must be improved even more. If the educational facility are good and modern, students can carry out education comfortable. And the third, equitable education. Education is not only for those who are in the city but also in remote areas must get a proper education. This is the task of the government for equal distribution of education all regions. And the last, school operational assistance. In essence, this assistance is designed by the government to help underprivileged school to be able to provide proper education facility and infrastructure needed by their students. Alright, the question of the material has been complete. If you have any question, happy to answer them now.
First of all, to introduce myself, Hamidah Haryati, NPM 21215113. Would I like to ask a question? So, from the material that has been present earlier, what is the role of teacher in improving the quality of education in Indonesia?
Well, thank you Hamida for the question. I will answer question. In my opinion, the teacher's role in improving the quality of education is to motivate students to want to learn well and discipline students to the rules at school and outside of school. Also to teach students to be obedient and respectful toward their parents or other, and can be religious. That like Hamidah, how is the answer enough?
Okay, thanks for the answer. It's clear.
Well, maybe that's enough presentation that I can convey. Hopefully it will be useful for all of us. Thank you. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.